Ever wondered if you could seamlessly link your Cash App balance to your Pocket Option account for faster trading? First, remember that directly linking Cash App to Pocket Option isn't a standard feature due to platform regulations. The easiest method is to use Cash App to purchase Bitcoin. To do this, tap the Investing tab, then select Bitcoin. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you'd like to purchase, using the funds from your Cash App balance. Next, log into your Pocket Option account and navigate to the deposit section. Choose Bitcoin as your deposit method. Pocket Option will then provide you with a unique Bitcoin wallet address. Copy this address carefully. It's crucial to get it right to avoid losing your funds. Return to Cash App and tap the Send Bitcoin icon. Paste the Pocket Option wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you're sending. Double-check the address one last time and confirm the transaction. Allow some time for the Bitcoin transaction to be processed and confirmed on the blockchain. Then, your Pocket Option account balance should reflect the deposit. Remember, trading involves risk. Consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions.